I'm going to dive right in. I'm going to go into customers. Under customers, I'm going to go into customer list. All the customer lists or all the lists in the system for leads, customers, reservations, etc., are going to be very similar. We have our list here. We can search for anything we want. So I'm going to search for Jeffrey Draft. Once I find who I'm looking for, I can click on him. The information on the left is going to stay the same. Again, this is going to be consistent all the way through the system. So we have some basic information over here on the left, and then on the right we have tabs. So home address, his family members. This is where you can put in passport numbers, known traveler numbers, etc. And then you can do that for each of the family members as well. If you put their birthdays in, it'll automatically calculate their age, and we also have some notes for restrictions when traveling, that kind of thing. We have our forms here. So these are all the available forms that you can send out. And then once you send them, they're going to come down here to the sent form section, and you'll see that this one has not been submitted, but you can tell when you sent it. You can resend it, you can view them. This one has been sent back. So the customer submitted it back, and you can see the time date stamps. So that's a cool feature. As an admin user, you'll be able to build your own forms in the system. It's very simple to do. We have a couple videos on that, and we can also help you through that. The payment cards, so this is where you'll keep the credit card information. So this is a secure vault. It's a separate database. It has extra security. And in addition to that, you can add the card manually by hitting the plus button, or you can have the client put their card in directly into the system by using one of the forms. And so you can build a form that has the credit card information on it. Once that form comes back, it'll automatically load it into this section. If you want to view a credit card, which we're not going to do tonight, but I'll show you how you would do it. You view the sensitive card information, you're going to say yes. It's going to text message you a code. So this is our form of two-factor authentication. So you'll put the code in. I'm logged in as Roberta, so I actually can't look at these cards. Roberta just got a text message, so I'm sure she knows we're doing a demo now. And then you would type that in. If I click OK and don't put it in, it's going to say couldn't retrieve that for us. This is the travel history tab. It's going to keep track of all these are the leads for this particular customer, and these are all the upcoming trips. And then this is all the historical trips. And then these are shortcuts to get to all of those reservations. So you can see all of the client travel all on one screen. We have the referred by tab, which allows you to put in who referred you. You can later pull a report that will show you who referred you, how many reservations, and how many dollars you've made off of that referral. And then the general notes. I'm going to show you something in general notes. This is just a general notes field. You can put whatever you want in here. There is a special notes field, and there's a difference between the two. The special notes are going to show up in every reservation that you book. The general notes is just the general notes. You can put whatever you need in here to keep track of it, but you always have to come back here. The special notes you'll see on every reservation and lead. Down here, this is a feature that we are pushing really hard now for a specific reason, for a new feature that's coming. But the customer tags, as an admin user, you'll be able to create the tags for your agency. It could be a number of different things. We have a bunch of examples in here, but you can tag your customer with one or more tags. And then I'm going to take it all the way back to the list now. This is our list of customers that I showed you at the very beginning, and I clicked on Jeffrey Draft. But if I wanted to know who are all of my customers that like golf, I can go up here. These are the same filters, the same tags. I can refresh, and now these are my golf folks. And the reason we're pushing this now, we're talking a lot about it, is because in the near future, we're hopeful this quarter that we will launch our email marketing campaign feature, which will be inside the system, fully integrated with all your data.